Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. In my case that will be the new one to have more space to show you how you can do that. So just first thing, you should hold for a while your screen, and here you'll see a widget icon. Just tap there, and as can you see here, we got all the available widgets that we can add on our screen. And for example, we can go with a clock. Just tap there, and here we can see the 3 different styles of this clock. So we'll go with the first one, and as can you see here, we got the new widget on our screen. We can change the size of this widget just by this way. Now we'll go back, and as can you see, we just set it the new widget on our screen. By the same way, we can add one more widget here. For example, that can be the calendar or calendar shadow. Just tap there, and as can you see, we got here this widget. By the same way, we can change the size of this widget, and for example, we can move this widget here on the screen. Just hold for a while and drag it, for example, to this section. Also, we can move widgets between the screen. Just hold for a while and just move it. Also, we can create the new screens for the widget, and if you want to remove the widgets, just hold for a while and drag it here to the remove icon, and by the same way we can remove the second widget too. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.